guys, so this is a new channel, and so I was like, my mom got me some stuff at the time. I forgot to she got it for me for my music channel, but I accidentally opened it because I was too excited and I forgot. And yeah, so I thought I could do just a video of the slime, but as you can see, it's very rippy and thick. That's probably why. Thick. That is bad. Okay. I made a big mess. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, if I can just look. It doesn't stick at all. See? It doesn't stick. Okay, now listen very closely. That was me doing that. But yeah. I wish I could do it like that. But I don't have anything to do it like that. I would just try to make it stay. And see? Oh, now you can see. It's going very high up. Oh no! Trying to do this little thing. I don't think I would be able to do it. No. Okay, that's like the best part. Oh my god. So I get some pizza. Why is this like really weird? I'm pretty tired. Look. I got some pizza. And yeah. I love my slime. And I think that's going to be the end of the video. And peace.